Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool spot right here, and basically what this is a pixel art display, and this is by a brand called Divoom. And this is basically what the product is called right here, if you can see. So if you can see, the product is all nicely wrapped. Let me actually take off the wrapper first and let's open up the product. So when we take off the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. So let's see what's in here first. So inside they provide you guys two of these suction cup mounts that you can use to clip the product on. So maybe if you guys want to stick it on a refrigerator, or if you guys want to stick it into your window, you can definitely use it in those situations as long as it supports the suction cup option. But right here we have the actual product, if you can see. Definitely very nice packaging. It has a logo right here and tells you guys what it is right here. All you need to do is download apps to actually change the art on here, which is pretty awesome. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. So when you guys open up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So right here they provide you guys a little box. I'm assuming all the accessories in here. And right here is a bunch of other stuff as well. So I'm actually opening up the small box first before I show you guys what's over here. So it looks like inside they provide you guys some cables right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what's included inside. But they do provide you guys a cable right here, which is USB to USB-C. And it is a nylon braided cable as well, which is pretty high quality. So I'm assuming you guys want to use this cable to charge up the product. And that is basically everything that's in the small package. Now let me show you guys what's on the other one. So right here, it looks like they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product. So if you guys don't know how to use it, you can definitely refer to the instruction manual. But right here, if you can see, they provide you guys some very cute stickers right here. And here's another one as well. So it's definitely really cool how they provide you guys these options right here. But last but not least, we have the actual product right here, which is the Pixoo-Max. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take out the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So basically it is a blank screen right here until we power on the product and actually generate power and change the art on here. If you guys can see on the top part right here and also on the bottom as well, they have the two slots for you guys to screw on the suction mount if you guys want to use that option. Or if you guys want to, you can use the option back right here to hang onto the wall as well. And the bottom right here is basically where you can plug in the cable to generate power onto the product. And if you can see it on the slide right here, this is basically the power switch or the power button to activate the power right here. And I believe this is the indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or off. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just turn it on and see how it works. So the first thing I want to do is to plug in the power to generate power on here. Alright, so you see that once we turn it on, it does light up right here. And this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you guys want to change the art on here, you can definitely pair it on the app to change it. Or you can press the button on the side right here. So you can see that you definitely have different options on here. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it has a lot of built-in features on here. So it has like a notification option, it has a planner option, it has the option to tell you guys the weather on here. It also has like a gaming option and stopwatch option as well. And the product also works at the night light as well, which is pretty nice. So let me actually connect this onto my app first to show you guys how it works. So while we're waiting for the app to turn on, you guys can see the art on here is actually really cool. Alright, so we found the device right here. Let's connect it. Alright, so we got connected. So let's try to change the art on here and see what happens. So let's try this one right here. Alright, so if you don't know, that's basically a Pokemon right there, and see it's pretty high quality. Let me change it to another one. Alright, so you can see another one that's pretty high quality. Let me just do one more. Alright, so you see that's actually really cute and actually works really well. So like I mentioned, definitely customize it however you guys want to. If you guys want to add like your own art, if you guys want to use someone else's art, they definitely have a lot of different options available for you guys. So I just want to put this product on. Let me show you guys how to do it. And you basically just want to screw one of them on top and one of them on the bottom. Alright, so once you guys screw it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like on the bottom and this is what it looks like on top. So all you guys need to do is just stick this onto your wall wherever you guys want to. As long as it supports like a suction cup option, then you should be fine. So I'm actually going to install this to show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys mount it on. Alright, so you see the product is all mounted up. So we put the suction cup onto the window right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty awesome. And definitely customize it however you guys want to. So if you guys want to make it to a different pixel or a different picture, or if you guys want to keep the time on here, you can definitely do all of that on here, which is pretty awesome. But definitely one of the cool things about this product is the fact that you guys can definitely use it wireless if you guys want to. As long as the product is fully charged or if it's charged up, then you can definitely use it. If you can see, we don't have the cable plugged in and the product is on. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a very cool product to use, maybe for your business, or if you guys just want to hang this out in the window, or if you guys just want to display this onto the wall, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.